Hello people, welcome back into this channel. This video is gonna be a video about the Google Slide, and I would like to show you the way how to add slides on your Google Slide project by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Slide application. So if you have no idea what is Google Slide, it's an application that's symbolized by these yellow documents that help you creating presentations easily on your phone. And now just if you want to add slides on the work, for example here, let's do open the projects now, and we already have these two slides on my project or on my documents. To edit the slide, you just need to go click it and go click edit the slide. And how to get extra slide for your documents, you just need to take a look on this button features right in the corner down here. There will be a square with a plus button, so you just need to go click. Those are the button to add the slide, and you can choose what type slides that you want. If you need main points that containing a large boxes for the text or descriptions, you just need to go click this part, and you can just start editing the text here by double tap on the title to activating the cursor. And now you're ready to adding the text and descriptions for your new slides. So that is the way how to create or how to add the new slides on your Google Slide documents. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.